In this video, I'm demonstrating the UTEX Pendant and its two different operating modes, position and velocity. Let's look at the position mode first. After you select an axis, turning the knob moves that axis a precise distance with each detent of the knob. This mode is handy for making precise moves such as peeking up on a reflector or normalizing a transducer. The next axis becomes live when its corresponding button is pressed. The knob can be turned slowly for precise moves or spun quickly for moving to a new location. Here I'm demonstrating moving several of the other axes of this scanner. Now let's look at velocity mode. Select an axis as before, but this time lightly pressing the knob before you turn it. The velocity of the axis is determined by how far you turn the knob from its initial position. The speed of the axis is variable from just barely moving up to the maximum speed allowed. This mode is handy for moving large distances or for locating reflectors while scanning manually. Use velocity mode whenever the scanner axes need to be repositioned frequently. Only one axis is enabled at a time, and becomes so when its corresponding button is pressed. And that's how simple this pendant is to use. Thanks for watching.